Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to get to um, your drive. So I'm going to go to the GCC website and I'm going to scroll down slightly. You will see the 6 areas here. Always go to your Google Apps. That's how you get to your email. From here, just going to pull this up so you can see, you are going to go to your 9 and you have 2 different ways of doing this. You can immediately just go to Docs and go to blank, and then in the title you can type in EED 212 or the class that you're in, and then choose your instructor. So if you can type, choose your instructor, and then the way you know the title. Going this way, you have several different, and so from here you can type whatever you'd like. And then the great part about Google Docs is you can go to this share button and you can add anyone you'd like as long as you know their email. So I'm just gonna, it automatically types in people's name that I that I have. But you can share it, and then both of you can be working, or multiple people can be working on a document at the same time. So that is an option. This does have spell check. So if you say, um, it's gonna do that, and it's gonna say, "How are you doing?" It did not pick up that I spelled hello wrong, so you'll have to kind of keep your eye out for that. But again, it is a nice way. So that is one way of doing it. I'm going to delete this. Um, go in there. I'm going to go back into my drive. This way I'm doing it a little bit different. So that one I did that one, and now I'm going to go in my drive. And as you can see, I'm going to go over here and I am going to go my drive, and now I want to go new, and I'm going to do a Google Doc. And it's the same, it's just one was a shorter way to get there. So that's how you do it, and then you title it how we talked about, and you can share it if you'd like. So that is Google Docs in a nutshell.